Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix CapCut is not showing on your app store. So guys, if you are facing a problem that your CapCut is not showing on your app store, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So watch this video till the end. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and from here guys you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device and then simply again open settings and then tap on your profile, and here tap on media and purchases and then tap on view account and wait here for some seconds. And after that guys, you have to just simply enter your password here. Let me put my password. And from here guys, you have to just simply tap on your country or region and then wait here for some seconds again, and then tap change country or region and select your country from here. And after that you have to just simply tap on agree, and after that simply select your payment method and then add your billing address. And after putting this information, you have to just simply close this page and again open settings and then tap on general, scroll down here, tap on language or region and then tap on region and select the same region. And after that guys, save it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this will help you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.